but it's water in the morning, and letting my body learn. This clean skin, soft light, this rest that shows in my eyes. Is how I hold my shoulders when I stop living rushed. I don't chase it, I make space for it. I come back to myself. That's a woman's glow, not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow.
I'm trying to listen to AI, but it gets so hot when the blinds are open, so I'm gonna close them and then get ready. Back to the darkness.
Just being kind, staying sharp. It's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose.
Yes.
Staying solid.
Yes.
I protect my mind. I don't pour it out for free. I keep my center. That's a woman's glow. Not loud, but you can feel it. That's a woman's glow. When I'm calm, it gets realer. That's a woman's glow. When I take my time, it's a light I don't chase. It's a light I find. Can't breathe in that, I stay steady. I don't beg the world to see. I don't need the room to call me. I know what's in me. That's a woman's glow. This health and this healing. That's a woman's glow. This truth and this meaning. That's a woman's glow. When I live it right, it's a light I don't chase. This is my own life. Can't breathe enough. Can't breathe enough. Can't breathe enough. Sunlight dances on your face, a sight that takes my breath away. In your eyes I see forever, a love that
So AI gave me a challenge to declutter a cabinet or a drawer or something, but we are moving pretty soon, so I thought instead of decluttering, we don't really have a lot of stuff. So I'm just gonna get some things in the bathroom at least ready for us to just grab and move into our car. And I have this crate that we've just been using for various different things. So I'm gonna line it with this and cover it. Luckily it won't be kind of tumbled with random things.
always stay. With every touch, with every word, my heart beats only for you, my dear. We'll walk this path hand in hand. Our love will always stand. I'll be forever by your side. Through the highs and lows we'll ride. No matter what the future brings, our love will always sing. I'll hold you close through the night and make sure you're always on.
So I had some time between 3:30 when I was feeding the baby and 5 when the AI said to make dinner. And I have a free car wash gift card coupon thing that came in the mail. So I asked ChatGPT about what I should do about that. And it said to get a nice drink or something, but I don't want to spend more money So I have this electrolyte berry powder, and I'm gonna make my own drink, go to the car wash, and have a good time for free. Might be crazy, but I'm gonna put some aluminum foil over it because I don't have a lid, and poke a hole for the straw. So in case it falls, it won't splash everywhere. Is this ghetto or what? It is currently 100 degrees out. Hey there. Did I have this coupon for a free watch? Okay, so I totally signed up for an account, but they said this whole month will be free, so if I want to get another car wash. But if not, I need to make sure to get off the app or else I'll forget about it. That's how they get you. I'm gonna vacuum out my car a little bit. Hello, you're making my cheeks dirty. So I deactivated my plan for the car wash thing because I was thinking I don't wash my car that often, and we got 2 coupons for car wash and we have 1 left. So if I do want to wash my car in the next month, I will use that one instead. The fact that I just set up a plan and didn't even think, oh, let's just say no. I don't know what I was doing, so it's deactivated. Don't worry, honey, if you see this. So my baby had a little bit of a spit up situation in the car seat, so I'm gonna wipe that down. And that is why he's not wearing clothes anymore. But to be honest, I haven't been putting him in clothes a lot this summer because our house gets so hot. Like 85 degrees in the house. It's insane. Okay, for dinner, I'm using AI once again for this video, and we have leftover mashed potatoes, and I cooked pork chops a while ago and froze them full. So I'm defrosting some of them, and then I'm gonna air fry them, and I'm worried they're gonna be too dry. So I'm having ChatGPT help me figure it all out, but I hope it turns out okay and it's not just like this chunk of meat that you can't even eat. Am I like Dr. Seuss? I totally forgot to dance and listen to music while making a meal, so I'm gonna do that while finishing my last dish of washing. About money, what's one thing that you would like to do together?
If I didn't care about money?
Yeah, if money wasn't an issue.
Probably a road trip to every state.
Okay. Wait, do we get a van?
Yep. Just go to every national park, every state. Just drive for months.
And just not work and just explore, just see places.
Yeah.
That's cool. I made these banana bars the other day, and this is gonna be my sweet treat tonight.